The Monkey and the Talking Tree, a short moral story. In the heart of the Whispering Woods lived Milo, a playful young monkey who loved climbing trees. One day, he found an ancient tree with a twisted trunk and golden leaves. Curious, Milo climbed it. "Careful," said a voice. Milo froze. "Who said that?" "I did," said the tree. "I'm Tara, the talking tree." Milo's eyes widened. "Wow! Can you tell me a secret?" Tara chuckled. "Patience, little one. The greatest secrets are revealed through observation, not words." Milo didn't listen. Day after day, he begged Tara to tell him the forest's secrets. One afternoon, Tara sighed, "Look closely at my branches." Milo finally stopped talking and observed. He noticed that birds always landed on one sturdy branch, while squirrels avoided another. "Why do the birds choose that branch?" Milo asked. "The strong branch offers safety," Tara said. "The weak one seems fine but is hollow inside." Milo nodded, understanding. A few days later, a storm hit the forest. Milo remembered Tara's lesson and warned his friends not to sit on the hollow branch. Moments later, it snapped and crashed to the ground. "You saved us, Milo," his friends cheered. Milo looked up at Tara and smiled. He had learned that patience and observation reveal life's most important lessons. Moral: wisdom comes when we stop talking and start observing. Thank you for watching.